Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com where I post content about affiliate marketing. This is the sixth video of the LearnDash setup series, and in this video, I will illustrate the steps for setting up the course sales funnel. If you have not watched the previous videos of the series, I would request you to please watch them first and follow the sequence. Okay? So let's begin this video. I will open my browser and illustrate the steps for creating the course sales funnel. Okay, to create the course sales funnel, we'll use the WooFunnels plugin, the free plugin provided by WordPress. Okay, so to add the plugin, hover over plugins and click add new. Find the plugins by typing the keyword and yes, install this plugin, funnel builder for WordPress. Okay, I've already installed it, that's why it is showing activate. However, if you're downloading it for the first time, you'll see the install now button. Okay, so click install now. After getting installed, you will see activate button. Activate and the plugin will be activated. Okay, so I've already installed it, so I'll find WooFunnels here. It is already. And before that, before we add the funnel, we'll need to add the course as a product. Okay, so to add the course as a product, we'll need to download WooFunnels for LearnDash add-on. Okay, so to install the WooFunnels for LearnDash add-on, hover over LearnDash and click add-ons. Okay, so in the add-ons, scroll down and download this add-on, WooCommerce for LearnDash. Okay, I've already installed it, that's why it is showing active. However, in your case, you will see install now. Click install now and then activate it. All right, so now we'll add the demo course as a product. All right, so to add our course as a product, hover over products and click add new. The product name will be the course name, so this will be demo course. And now scroll down and add course. Under product data, the product type will be course. Okay. The regular price of the course was $4.99 and we'll sell it for $4.99. Okay, LearnDash. In fact, let's remove the sale price and let's add the course that we created, the demo course. Okay, so select demo course, and if you want, you can add other attributes. You can link more products for upsells. Okay, but I'll add only the demo course. Click publish. Okay, the product has been added, so let's click and view product. Okay, so this is the demo course. Let's go back and now we'll create a funnel. Right, to add the funnel in WooFunnels, scroll down and find WooFunnels and click funnels. I've already created a few funnels, so that's why you're seeing a number of funnels here. Okay, so now to add the new funnel for our demo course product, click add new and the name will be demo course. Now click add and okay, so these are the funnels provided by WooFunnels. The builder is Elementor. You can add you can select any other builder of your choice. Okay, I've selected Elementor and let's select a free. Let's select a free. Now I will select a free template for demonstration. Okay, so let's view Persuader. Let's preview this. There are 4 steps. As you can see, this is the sales page, and this is the checkout page, the upsell page, and then the thank you page. Okay, I think I will use this template, so click import. So there are 3 steps: the landing page, the checkout page, and the thank you page. We have already created the landing page. In this case, in the case of demo course, the landing page will be the course page. Okay, so we'll start from the checkout page. So I'll remove this step and we'll start with the checkout page. So let's view the checkout page. Okay, so this is how the checkout page looks. Right, if you want, you can stick with it or you can customize it. All right, I'll close the demo, and if you want, you can edit it and customize it. Right, but I'm happy, so I'll keep it as is. However, I'll need to add a product, so I'll click the 3 dots and click edit. Now the next step is to add a product. So to add a product, click products, and we'll add the demo course product that we created in WooCommerce. Okay, so click add product and type demo course. Click add product, and the product has been added. If you want, you can add a discount. All right, I'll keep it as is. I'll click save changes. If you want, you can add more products. All right, and now let's go back, and now let's find the URL for this checkout page. Click edit template. Okay, now if you want, here you can add a few points about your course. Okay, by clicking here and changing the text. Right, and you can change these sections as well. I won't change it because I'm happy with it. Now I'll click the menu and exit to dashboard. Okay, now I'll change the permalink to make it readable. Okay, so to change the permalink, I will switch to block editor. And the URL slug will be checkout-demo course. Okay, so click update, and let's view how the checkout page looks right now. Okay, here it is, Shubhamjeet Kumar.com blogs checkout page, checkout demo course. Okay, and the demo course has been added, as you can see, and people can pay with their with the payment mode of their choice. Okay, and copy the URL. Okay, why I copied the URL? Because as you remember, we need to add this into the course page. Okay, the course pricing page that we created in the second video, right? So now I'll add the checkout page URL here. So to add the checkout page URL in this course, click settings, and now paste the checkout page URL here. Click update, and now let's see how the course page looks. Okay, I'll open it in an incognito window, and now let's take this course. So this is the checkout page. Enter the email, account username, password, your details, enter your payment information, and when you click proceed, you'll reach the product thank you page. Okay, so we have to customize a product thank you page now. Okay, so we have updated the course checkout page. Now let's go back and find the funnel that we created. So scroll down to WooFunnels, click funnels, and let's edit the thank you page. Here your first name will be displayed, and now I'll change this. I'll remove the video, but I'll remove this video, and now here I'll change the text to, in fact I'll remove the text and I'll add a button. I'll drag and drop the button below this heading, and instead of clicking I'll type access the course here, and here I'll paste the first lessons link. Okay. In this button I've inserted the link of the first lesson of the course. I'll change the style of this button. The text will be justified. I'll add an icon, so I'll insert the right arrow, but I'll just type arrow and add this arrow. I'll change the position to after. Now update, and let's see how the thank you page looks. So once your students reach this page, they'll click access the course here, and they'll go to the first lesson of the demo course. Okay. I'll change the hover style of this button and click style, and hover will be, in fact I'll also change the button normal button color, and hover button color, text color will be white, and button color will be the secondary color. Done. And I will transform the button typography. I'll transform the text to uppercase, and maybe I'll make it bold, and I'll update. So we have created the funnel, we have created the checkout page and the thank you page, and now it's time for us to check the funnel. Okay. So I'll open a new incognito window. Shubhamjeetkumar.com/course page is the page that we created for the courses. This is the demo course. You click enroll now. This is the landing page of the course. Let's click take this course. So this is the checkout page. I'll enter my details and pay with my desired mode of payment. Okay. And I'll click this CTA place order now, and after successful payment I'll reach the thank you page. Okay, so my payment is successful. Now when I click access the course here, I'm directed to the first lesson of the demo course. So voila, we are done. So that's about this video. This was the last video of the LearnDash setup series. Let's revise the entire series. In the first video, I shared the pricing plans of LearnDash and illustrated the steps for purchasing the tool. In the second video, I illustrated how you can activate your LearnDash account and we created your first course. The third video was about setting up a membership using LearnDash. Moving to the fourth video, we saw how we can create certificates to present to your students. The fifth video was about creating the course listing page, and in this sixth video, we created a sales funnel and discount coupons. Now you are ready to offer your courses and make money. All the best. Please create courses and memberships that provide value and solve people's problems. Okay? So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see content about affiliate marketing, Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.